What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you 6 Retina-Ready applications. It's going to be a clock, the weather, the compass, the calculator, the stocks, and the audio memos. We all know that these applications normally come on our iPhone and iPod Touch, but they do not come on any version of the iPad. So I'm going to show you some free Retina-Ready HD resolution applications that you can use as replacements. So the first one is alarm clock. Now, of course, you're going to be able to use this as your alarm on your iPad. I'm going to be able to sit this next to my bed and use it as my alarm. So I can go in here and I can click add new alarm, and it's going to be able, we're going to be able to add an alarm just so you are on the iPhone or iPod Touch. So make sure online enable alarm is selected, and then we could select our repeat settings if we want it to be set for Mondays, Tuesdays, and etc. And the music, this is the music that's going to be played when your alarm goes off. If your application is currently not open, the alarm application, you're going to be able to set a notification. So say you want a digital nightstand, that's one of my favorites. It's allowed, and it's actually going to wake you up very easily. Here you go. Now that might scare you when you wake up, but at least you know it's going to wake you up. And then we got the volume you want it to be set at, and then you can set the time. So let's say I want to be waking up at 6:18 p.m. It's going to wake you up at 6:18. And basically you can set that alarm and it will actually wake you up just like normal. Now you can set a sleep timer if you want music to go off at a certain time, and you can do many other cool things with this application. So you can go ahead and check it out. It's called Alarm Clock HD. Now let's go ahead into the next application, Intellicast HD. This is one of my favorite weather applications of all time. You're going to be able to get some HD resolution of weather here. This actually looks very nice. I choose this over the weather application on the iPhone or iPod. I hate it. I hate the regular application, to tell you the truth. This one is actually really nice. It's in HD resolution. Make sure you watch it in 1080p if you want the full effect. Now let's go back here, and remember that one was called Intellicast HD. The next one is called Compass for iPad Free. Now this is basically a compass, and this comes on the iPhone. I think only the iPhone. And now you can have it on the iPad because it does have that function, but they actually didn't put the feature in the iPad, and you can twirl it around and it'll basically point you in the right direction. Now we can set it back down and we can go back out, and let's go on to the next application. This one is called Calculator. Now I do not know why that Apple didn't put a calculator on the iPad. I mean, it's actually very useful, especially to the business people who want to make calculations and stuff. But this is another HD application. This one is called the Calculator for iPad Free. Now there is many calculator applications for free on the iOS App Store, but many of them come in horrible quality. This one is actually one of the nicer ones for free. So let's do 5 plus 5, 15, well, oops, 5 plus 5, 10, there it works. And you could also use it in landscape mode if you wanted to, and it'll give you the more selections, and you can go back into portrait mode if you wanted to. So basically, yeah, there you guys go. And we can actually go back now, and on the next page we have Bloomberg. This would be our stock applications replacement, and actually right now it's an HD resolution, and it's showing me Apple stock is currently at $585.57 per share. Now that is amazing. Apple actually got up to 600 the other day. I think, where's the peak? Here it is right there. They got up to 600. I think it was 2 days ago. But anyways, Bloomberg, that's a good application for our replacements for the stock. And then we got audio memos. This is called Audio Memos Free, and you're basically going to be able to use it as a replacement for the Voice Memos application on your iPhone or iPod Touch. And basically you click the record button, it will record whatever you're saying, and it will replay it back, and you're allowed to upload it to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and etc. Now guys, these are all free applications. The alarm clock is called Alarm Clock HD, Intellicast HD, Compass for iPad, Calculator for iPad Free, Bloomberg, and Audio Memos Free. If you miss any of the application names, I will give you links in the description below to the iTunes version, to the iTunes App Store where you can buy it. Anyways, guys, tell me what you think about these applications in the comments below. Remember to hit that like button right there and subscribe. And I am doing a new iPad giveaway if you want to enter that. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next one.